Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF file into a JPG file format. Okay, suppose I have this PDF file and I want this in the form of image. So taking screenshot will probably reduce the quality. So I want to convert this into an image. Okay, that's very easy. Let me show you how to do this. You will open Google. I will write PDF to JPG converter free. Okay, I am going to share you the link as well. I love PDF is the site where you can extract images from the PDF for free. Okay, so I will select here this, select the PDF file, click on desktop, and this I wanted to convert. Okay, so we have two options. Do you want to only extract the images or the full page to JPG? Right now I will convert the whole page into the JPG format. Okay, so now let's click on normal and convert to JPG. Okay, the PDF has been converted to JPG images now. Okay, now let's download and see. Okay, now the file is downloaded. I'm going to open the file. Okay, here is the file and here are the two pages. I'm going to put it on desktop so that we can compare them. Okay, here is the PDF. Now here is the JPG version of the file. You can see. So it's very easy and I'm going to share you the link in description. Thank you.